Hi friends, I am Arun Giri. You are most welcome to our channel Technical Concept. Today topic is construction and working principle of activated carbon filter. In this video we are going to see in deeply how activated carbon filter is working, what are its construction and working principle, and what are its applications, where it is used. Okay, so let's start our topic without wasting time. This is the image of activated carbon filter. This type of filters you may have seen in the industries like thermal power plants, in chemical industries, in pharma industries, okay, also in textile industries. These types of filters are mostly installed, okay. And this is the activated carbon, that is filter media, which is filled inside this uh, vessel, okay. This vessel is mostly made up of mild steel, that is MS, and for large quantities, and for small quantities it is made up with FRP. So topics we are going to cover in this video are function and application of activated carbon filter. Then we'll see construction and its working principle, and then we'll see the mechanism how activated carbon filter removes impurities. Okay, so this is the most interesting topic that we are going to see in this video. So keep watching this video up to last. Okay, now we'll see function and application of activated carbon filter. So activated carbon filter are designed for removing free chlorine present in water. We are using chlorine for disinfection as a disinfectant in water. So after killing bacteria and microorganisms, some chlorine remains in free form in water. Okay. So for removal of this free chlorine, that we are using activated carbon filter. Also, it is used for removal of organic matter, odor means smell, and color present in water. So these are the impurities which are removed through this activated carbon filter. Okay, you, this ACF is used for the treatment of raw water and wastewater in industries. For raw water treatment, it is used in purified water plant and DM water plant, that we are using in thermal power plants, textile industries, and pharma industries. All this in DM plant and purified water plant, we are using this activated carbon filter as a pre-treatment. Okay, and in wastewater in treatment, we are using this SCF as a post treatment. That is, treated water from ETP and HTP is treated inside this activated carbon filter. That is, in wastewater treatment it is used for final treatment of water, and in raw water treatment it is used for the treatment of inlet water of that plant. That is, inlet water treatment of inlet water of DM plant and purified water plant. Okay, this activated carbon filter operates on the principle of absorption. What is absorption, that we will see in next slide, how it is working, and what is the working principle of absorption. Okay, absorption is directly related to the surface area of media. That these two topics we are going to see deeply in next slide. Okay, now we'll see construction and working principle of activated carbon filter. So this is the schematic diagram of activated carbon filter. You can see this is the body of activated carbon filter. This is the inlet line, untreated water line, which we are going to treat inside this. So this is the inlet water line, and this is the header. Okay, nozzles are fitted on this header, and the direction of these nozzles are upward. The reason is that if we keep the direction of nozzles in downward direction, that it will disturb the media. This is the media, so it will disturb the media. Okay, so to avoid this, we are keeping the nozzle direction in upward direction. Okay, and these are the beds. These are the beds, different beds which are fitted on this inside this filter. So at the bottom you are using large gravels. This is the image of large gravels. These types of gravels are gravel beds are fitted here, and above this there is a fine gravel. Okay, so sorry, this is the pebbles and this is the gravels. Okay, so at the bottom we are using large pebbles, and the top above this there is a fine gravels. Okay, this is the image of gravels. Okay, and above this is the bed of fine sand. So this is the image of fine sand, and finally at the top here we have activated carbon filter. So this is the image of activated carbon filter. Okay, so this is fitted here. Okay, so during normal operation what happens, water coming through this line, okay, entering in this nozzle header, and from the nozzle it is coming downward like this and then going through this. Okay, so untreated water is coming from here, and after filtration it is going through this line. Okay, and in backwash we are doing backwash of this filter after some time, after some occasions. Okay, so function of backwash is to remove the impurities which are collected here, okay, in this bed. So for removal of this collected impurities, we are doing backwash. So in backwash, what we are doing, we are feeding water in the filter through bottom, okay, like this, okay, and it this water collect the impurities from the which are trapped inside this filter at the top and coming out through this line, okay, from the top. Okay, so this is how the activated carbon filter is working. Okay, the thickness of this media varies from 0.7 meter to 3 meter. It depends on the capacity of this filter. Okay, for large capacity it's the thickness of this filter media is very for high, and for small capacity it is thickness of this filter media is less. Okay, it depends on the capacity. Okay, now we'll see how activated carbon filter remove impurities. Okay, so we know that activated carbon filter works on the principle of absorption. Okay, that is it removes that is absorbs impurities on its surface. First of all, we'll see what is absorption. Absorption is nothing but it is the phenomena of absorbing material on its pores, impurities or substance on its surface, on its pores. You can see this is the image of activated carbon filter. This activated carbon filters are highly porous. That is, it has large number of small pores inside this on the surface. Okay, so these pores are used for the trapping of impurities inside these pores or cavities. Okay, these are the impurities you can see here. These impurities are get trapped inside these cavities or pores. Okay, when we are flowing water through this activated carbon, and our water gets filtered. Okay, that is impurities gets trapped inside these cavities or pores, and our water gets filtered and it is used for further use. Okay, so for the so for absorption, filter media should have highly porous, should be highly porous. That means it should have very large number of pores on its surface. So this our activated carbon is highly porous. It has more than 500 square meter of surface area in 1 gram of activated carbon. So you can think of this how highly porous is this activated carbon filter. Okay, so this is how this activated carbon filter is removing impurities. Okay, so after some time this impurities this cavities gets filled with impurities. So when this all these cavities or pores gets filled with this impurities, then our activated carbon filter will not work properly. Its efficiency gets decreases. In such case we have to replace this activated carbon filter and filled with a new activated carbon filter which has fresh pores, that is empty with that pores are empty, capable of absorbing more impurities inside it. Okay, so this is how this our activated carbon filter is working. Okay, so this is all about the today's video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please press like button, subscribe the channel and share this video. And if you want any video on any topic, then please comment that topic inside the comment box. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.